what you're re-uploading back to your YouTube channel is not the long video again. Okay, so if you have a long video, like I said earlier, on your YouTube channel, and you copy the link and you put on Opus Clip site, what you're taking back to YouTube isn't a long video, it's short. Opus is going to give you the short of that your long form video. Let me know, okay, because there's a new discovery about another amazing AI tool you can use to get your subscribers, and it gives you ranks. So if you see that it gave you like 5 clips, for example, the last one is going to have a very low score. So the first 2 3 clips are going to be the clips that will rank the most. That's to tell you, those are the ones that would likely go viral or have a high chance of going viral. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, this is Ajuri Style. So recently I put up a video concerning the Opus Clip. Okay, that's the AI app you can use to get subscribers. Now how that works is you're going to get lots of clips from one long video, and you're going to post those clips as shorts to go viral. Now it's generated a lot of comments, like lots of comments. I replied some, but some I couldn't reply. So I just said, let me come on here and share this kind of like Q&A to answer most of those questions about the Opus Clip. So I'm already in my comment section right now, and it's currently on questions. So I'll just be taking the questions. So we have the first one from Pelt Drama. I just tried it now, but it seems like I need to connect my YouTube's Gmail link for it to upload. Am I correct? Now, before you sign into that Opus Clip, you have to connect your YouTube. It could be any Gmail, okay, if you want to get into the Opus Clip, okay? But the thing is, the reason why you have to put in a Gmail is because if you want to post directly from the Opus Clip app to or Opus Clip site directly to your YouTube channel, this is where you have to link your YouTube channel, like the Gmail that is associated with your YouTube channel, to this Opus Clip. But if you don't want to, you can actually choose the download option where you download the clips to your gallery. Then from your gallery, you can choose to upload directly to YouTube. Now, the question here is, please, is this only for short videos? And again, why are we uploading the video back to our channel? Is it not going to be two of the same videos on our channel? And can't we upload it directly from the platform? Now, this person is asking, why do we have to upload the same video, or is it safe to upload the same video twice? Now, what you have to know is, if you have a long form video on your YouTube channel and you want to get clips from that long form video, now, if you upload those clips back to YouTube, it is not counting as a reused content, because these are like 1 minute, less than even 1 minute clips you're getting from the long video. So if you upload it back to your YouTube channel, no, it is not going to count as reused content or give you any issues. That's the first question. And he's asking, why can't we upload it from the platform? There are options there. I even mentioned that in the video. There are options you can download or upload from the Opus Clip site directly to your YouTube channel. That is if you link your YouTube channel to the Opus Clip. That is only when that option is available. Another question from somebody here says, if downloaded with the watermark, how can I use it without watermark? Because YouTube doesn't like watermark videos. Now, it's going to download with watermark because you are on the free plan. But once you upgrade, it's going to give you options where you have lots or more clips, and it's also going to take out the watermark. So since you're on the free plan, you will definitely see the watermark. You can actually upload these clips to your channel and it's not going to give you any issues. No, you will not have issues with the watermark. Another question here is, we want to be cleared, concerning copying your link. That is, the video is already posted. Can you download it and repost it, or we'll leave it there? We want to be cleared. Now, this question is kind of confusing, okay, but I think he's asking about the link of the video you put into the Opus Clip. Now, the link of the video, you can actually copy the link of a video on your YouTube channel and paste it on the Opus Clip to get short clips from that long form video already on your channel. I don't know if that makes sense. Or if you've already edited a video and you already have that video in your gallery, then there will be no need to put the link. All you have to do is just to go over to your gallery, upload it from your gallery to the Opus Clip, okay, and you can get the clips from there and post it to your YouTube channel before even uploading the long video you already have in your gallery. I don't know if that makes sense though. This is a question from Bible the Greatest Book. Please, I have a question The moment you copy the link from YouTube and already you have uploaded a video on your YouTube, can you re-upload back again? What you're re-uploading back to your YouTube channel is not the long video again. Okay, so if you have a long video, like I said earlier, on your YouTube channel, and you copy the link and you put on Opus Clip site, what you're taking back to YouTube isn't a long video, it's short. YouTube Opus is going to give you the shorts of that your long form video, just the short. So it could be one, you can decide to take just one, two, or three. Now I told you it's going to give you like lots of short clips, and it gives you ranks. So if you see that it gave you like 5 clips, for example, the last one is going to have a very low score. So the first 2 3 clips are going to be the clips that will rank the most. That's to tell you, those are the ones that would likely go viral or have a high chance of going viral. Another question here is, my concern is, if you want to export, most of these apps will want you to upgrade to the payment plan, else they will leave their watermark on it. It's just the same thing I said. If you're on the free plan, there'll be watermark. If you upgrade, no watermark. I used it after watching your first video a few days ago. My scheduled video wasn't posted, but can I use a Naira card, that's the MasterCard, to subscribe for a paid version? Please, I would appreciate your response. Now, when uploading to now this is for somebody who wants to upgrade. Okay, so I don't know the payment method, because I did the free plan for the tutorial I shared on this channel. I did not upgrade. Okay, so I think any card you can use to do your international payments, you can actually use it to upgrade. Okay, but then it's still going to tell you the one that works best if you click on the payment method. I hope I answered that question. Hi Adjoy, it keeps saying oops, it looks like you have used up all your credits, even though I clicked on free trial. What do I do, please? You do not click on free trial. Okay, you cancel the free trial. There's an X mark. I mentioned that in my video. There's an X mark. You don't click on the free trial. The free trial is like you're trying to be on the paid version for like 1 week before you can pay. So I said do not click on the free trial, click on the X. It's going to also show you this place that says your free trial has started. So just click on this X icon, because we're going to use this app for free. No need to upgrade to the paid version, because we want to use the free plan. Okay, so please go back and try again. Let me know in the comments if it works. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I have taken all the questions, and I hope this video helped somebody today about the Opus Clip. Let me know, okay, because there's a new discovery about another amazing AI tool you can use to get your subscribers through the short way, right? Let me know if you want to see a video on that in my next video, or I should just end it here. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it answered your question. Do well to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and until I see you on the videos on your screen, click on those videos and I'll see you definitely in one of those videos. Bye.